So hello, welcome back guys, and today in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can easily apply the pattern on any type of picture or anywhere you want. So without any further ado, let's jump into the video after this intro. So here is our model, and first of all just make copy of the layer and click on OK, and without renaming it, and just go to the pen tool, make sure the path option is selected, and make the selection only for the hijab, not for the face, not for the body. Okay, just make selection of the hijab. So just wait for a few seconds. Make sure the selection is perfectly right, so that the pattern will be applying like perfectly. So make sure the selection is completely perfect. So now I have completed the selection, and now right click and just click on OK, and it will make the selection. Now go to the layer mask and just click on, and just remove the I button and see the only the hijab is selected. Now just go to your layer and again copy that, and go to the pen tool, and again make the selection under the area that is left, which is not able to make the selection. So again the same procedure, right click and click on OK, make for the make selection. Now again go to the layer, copy it, and make the selection of the remaining area. I'm just doing it fast, so that without wasting any time, so we complete the whole thing. So again click on OK, layer mask, select all of three layers and just merge the layers. Okay, so all of three layers will be merged into one layer. Just remove the I button, you can see the all hijab is selected. Now just go to the pattern option. Okay, and now select the uh, any pattern you want to apply on this selection. So I will choosing this one, and now I'm going to click on OK, and click on overlay, like you want to blend. So click on overlay or the soft light, and now go to the right click on this layer and click on create clipping mask. And now just go to the move tool, and just you have to make it like more contrastic, and reduce the light. Just go to layers and reduce it, and no, don't forget to create clipping mask as well. And go to curves as well, and just reduce the amount to make it more contrastic, or you can say to more dark. Okay, so I'm just changing its amount. Okay, it's just done, and now you can see the task is completed. Now just go to the brightness and contrast, and just change the options according to your taste. Okay, so that it becomes more realistic. Yeah, and now just select all the layers, click on shift and just select all the layers, control plus G. Now remove, and you can see this difference, and now it's a pink, and now it's a pattern applied. So it's a complete tutorial, so how you can you can apply the pattern on videos. So thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, share and like. Bye bye.